Lucy, what's wrong? Lucy, why are you yelling at your mommy? Where are your brothers? What do you want? Why are you yelling at me? Tell me. What do you want? What do you want? What? 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 What do you want? Are you trying to say that your brothers are outside and I need to let them in? Yeah? Because it's raining, you don't want them to be out there? You want me to go let them in? Are you sure? Okay, let's go let them in. Okay. I'm sorry. You want me to open the door? Last chance. Okay.